Kapitan Moy's house. Kapitan Moy's house here in Marikina. Pasok tayo, tara. Kapitan Moy's house here in Marikina, ha? Tingnan mo yan, ha? Ano, ha? Ang building na ito ay 200-year-old na. Silipin mo yun. Bihira yung mga ganitong nami-maintain. Historic. 200-year-old building, and I believe more than 200-year-old. Yan. Dito sa Kapitan Moy's house. Taka rito, pasyal ka rito. Ito sa Marikina City. Malapit sa Catholic Church. Malapit sa Auto Museum, no? At saka malapit lang sa bayan ng Marikina. Okay. Pag dito mo ginawa yung event, no? Dito ka nagpakasal or any occasion, para kang nasa lumang panahon. Bumalik ka sa lumang panahon. Ganoon yun. Kaya yung mga mahilig sa mga lumang panahon, yan, dito kayo mag-celebrate. Alam ko na, next sa birthday ko, dito ako mag-celebrate. Okay. Sige, thank you, ah. Thank you. Ayan, pinapa-rentahan daw yung event place na yan, eh. So next year, dyan ako mag-celebrate ng birthday ko. Tapos na yung 6 years old ko, 61. Okay. Tinangan natin yung kanilang mga pagkain. Paella Valenciana. So yan yung mga kape-kapitan. Ayan. Okay. The Kapitan Moy House. The Kapitan Moy building is a 200-year-old house of Don Laureano Guevara, founder of the Marikina shoe industry. This bahay na bato, literally house of stone, is a type of building originating during the Philippines Spanish colonial. Constructed in 1780, this old house is not only a structure of nails and adobe, it is an edifice that links to the past because of the historical events that became known here. In 1887, the first pair of shoes in Marikina was made in this house. Supremo Andres Bonifacio of the Katipunan once visited the place, and American soldiers made it a camp in 1901. That there were 3 wells that served the entire house before. Only one remains to this day, which is found inside the Kapitan restaurant. The wells became an integral part of the house as it provided water for washing clothes and even preparing meals. Opo. Dito po. Ayun. Dala sa Sindera Doña Teresa de la Paz, 1841-1890. Doña Teresa de la Paz y de los Santos owned the fabulous Teresa de la Paz estate, the biggest private hacienda in the Philippines, next to those of the religious orders. The estate actually consisted two haciendas, that of Marikina and the other of Santa Mesa, both of which belonged to the family of her first husband, Don Jose Severo Tuason. Yun. Kaya siguro may dating Tuason Street dito no? Ngayon, pinalitan yung Tuason Hill Fernando na. Ay, hula ko lang ha. Hindi ako sure. Pag dito ka kinasal, para kang nasa yung sa TV.
Mariette Ibarra.
Mariette Ibarra, no? No, ganun ang mangyayari. Yan. Mariette Ibarra, history of Marikina. Pwede rin picturean yun no?